Now, what size is an A4 document here in Canva? Well, let me go ahead and show you. What we want to do is come up to Create Design, and if we type in A4, we're going to get a few different documents. Now, the first one that we want is just here, Document A4 Portrait. So the size for this is 210 by 297 millimeters. Now, all we have to do to open this is click on there, and now we have a brand new project as an A4 size document. Now, if we come up to File, we can see that just here, that it's 210 millimeters by 297 millimeters. So that's the size for an A4 document. Now again, instead of actually typing in those dimensions, all you want to do is come to Create Design, click on the search bar, type in A4, choose this first one, and then you're going to have your A4 size document. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.